Anybody in here yet? Anybody join? What's going on? What's going on, guys, gals? Just giving everybody a minute to get in here. A couple minutes, I should say. We'll get started pretty soon. A couple more minutes. What's going on, Tyler? The Raiders. Raiders. Tyler, I don't even see using somebody else's account on eBay. Significant other, maybe. I see Noel for the Raiders here. Is that the right? Yeah, I have the right list. I see Noel next to the Raiders. I do not see Tyler. Actually, I don't see Tyler on my list at all. Hacking. He's hacking accounts. Roger. I'll run through the roster in a second here, just so you guys can all confirm. And yes, it will be, if you use someone else's account, like a wife or a fiance or a friend or something, it'll be their name, so just listen for that. Just give me 1 second here, because my neighbor's mowing the lawn. All right, welcome to the break. Donruss Football Mega Box half case break number 12. Half case is 10 full boxes, which you see out in front of you here. This is the second half of a case. That's why it's not being cracked open fresh. My roster is as follows. I've got Amy with the Panthers, Brienne with the Chiefs, Dolphins, Jets, Lions, and Seahawks, Conrad with the Giants. Dale has the Bucks, Steelers, and Titans. Donald with the Bengals, Douglas with the Patriots, Gary 49ers, Jimmy has the Browns, the Falcons, and the Redskins. John has the Eagles, Marcus with the Texans, Matthew with the Chargers, Rams, and the Saints. Michael with Bills and Jags. It's Michael H. Michael J with the Ravens. Michael N with the Colts. I got Nikki with the Cardinals and the Cowboys. Noel with the Raiders, or Noel. Ryan with the Packers. That's Ryan B. Ryan H with the Bears. Scott C with the Broncos and Scott B with the Vikings. That is what I got for my roster, which I copy and paste manually. So if I got any of those wrong, let me know and I will fix it, or don't let me know and it will still come out correct because I pull these right off of eBay when I ship them, so it shouldn't be wrong when I ship them. But if you think I got that wrong, let me know and I'll fix it. Alright, so if anybody's new with me, I do have a post up for 2015 score on the group here if you're interested. Additionally from that, if you bought into this for a significant amount more than the starting fee and you get skunked, I will throw in some bonuses for you. Meaning if you bought in a team like the Eagles or the Cowboys or somebody that usually goes for a little higher cost in these breaks and you don't get a hit, I got some bonus stuff that I'll throw in for you to try to offset it a little bit. I always try to hook people up. I got a whole bunch of 2016 hobby packs here. I got some numbered cards and stuff that I'll throw in. So I try to hook you up if you get shafted by Panini. I do my best. You never know what you're going to get with this Mega Box stuff. Yes, Tyler, it will be postal service. You'll get tracking through eBay. I use eBay shipping feature, so you'll get a notice on eBay when it goes out. With tracking, the standard eBay shipping procedures. All right, I'm ready to get started. I just need 1 second because it's super hot in this room. I'm just gonna open this door. I gotta open the door to my office because I'm already sweating and I haven't even started the break yet. All right, we're gonna roll. Good luck, everybody. Hope to pull some monsters for you. But I always say, breaking is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. This Mega Box can be awesome or it can suck. Depends on I guess Panini, what they randomly threw in here. I've had some of these be terrible. I've pulled Garoppolo autographs out of these, so pulled some really good cards and had some misses. All right. As always, I will run through the base cards, call out the rookies and inserts, and any hits. All right. We got Curly and Sproles duel. DeForest Buckner rookie card for the Niners. I'm hoping to. That last break was a little weak, so I'm hoping this one makes up for it. Got a Paxton Lynch press proof rated rookie for the Broncos. Corey Coleman rated rookie Browns. Russell Wilson insert. Robert Kimdichie rookie card for the Cards. Emmitt Smith insert Cowboys. Jalen Ramsey rated rookie for the Jags. These cards on the screen, if the cards aren't on the screen, just give me a holler. I try to always keep them on the screen, but I don't look at my screen constantly, so if they're off, just let me know and I'll correct it. Charles Woodson Raiders insert. Su'a Craven's rookie card for the Skins. Let me resort these cards over here. Try to keep the rookies together in the inserts, and I've already failed at that. Okay, rookies together, inserts together, but separate from the rookies. All right, let's keep going. Navarro Bowman. It's an insert. And we got Jordan Howard, rated rookie for the Bears. got some good prices up on that score if anybody's interested in that. Some cheap teams on there. Thousands upon thousands of cards. There's a Gronkowski insert for the Pats. William Jackson III, rookie Bengals. Gridiron Kings. Nelson Aguilar rookie card for the Eagles. Terrell Davis expressionist insert for the Broncos. There's a Nick Foles with the Rams. Super Bowl MVP Nick Foles when he was with the Rams. Nate Orchard rookie Browns. Rashad Green rookie for the Jags. Blake Bortles. Red, no hit in that box. Box number 1, skunk sauce. Michael Irvin insert for the Cowboys. Carl Nassib, rookie Browns. Marcus Allen for the Raiders. There's a Jared Goff rated rookie for the Rams. If I can get to my sleeves. I do sleeve up the top rookies from the draft. Top load them. That is not the correct top loader. Jared Goff for the Rams. Peyton Manning the Sheriff with the Colts. Darren Lee Jets rookie. Reggie Wayne Colts. Trevor Davis Packers rated rookie. Come on, give us a little something, Panini. Give us a little something. Aaron Donald, Rams. Derek Watt, rookie card, Chargers. I don't know if it's better to start off hot or get hot later. I guess it doesn't matter, as long as the heat comes. There's a Todd Gurley for the Rams. Insert. Wendell Smallwood, rated rookie for the Eagles. For the Colts, Edgerrin James, insert. Shalik Calhoun, Raiders rookie. Gridiron Kings. No Donruss hits. Can we get a Gridiron Kings hit? This is usually where the best stuff comes, actually, from what I've seen. There's a Mariota rookie card. Marcus Mariota rookie card for the Titans. Let's leave that one up. John Elway. Helicopter Hero. That's cool. Steve Smith Sr., Ravens. Cameron Artis-Payne rookie card for the Panthers. Off-centered cut. It's cut off at the top there. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff, insert. And a Flacco. Skunked. Skunked again. 20% skunked at this point. Doesn't look thick. Don't see anything thick here. Hey, Scott, what's going on? Yeah, it's got to be coming. It's got to be coming. Joe Montana insert. Emmanuel Ogbah, rookie for the Browns. I've had some of this mega box. There have been times I've pulled eight or 10 hits out of this stuff. So it certainly can be hot sometimes, but I've also got, I think I had one break where I only had 2 hits, which was terrible. I ended up throwing in, I think I gave everybody a bonus pack in that one. Brandon Marshall insert for the Jets. Will Fuller rated rookie for the Texans. So, if this break ends up cold, I will hook you up. Larry Fitzgerald insert for the Cards. Von Bell rookie Saints. Marissa Miller, fans of the game. Kenyon Drake, rated rookie for the Dolphins. Let's leave that one up because he's a starter. We got Darren McFadden with the Cowboys. Adolphus Washington with the Bills. Rookie card. Rashad Jones, Dolphins insert. Miles Jack, Jaguars rated rookie. So they are actually running out of this product, by the way. The mega box is going to run out. Warren Moon of the Oilers, which is the Titans. Carl Nassib, rookie card for the Browns. They've already increased the price of this mega box. It's jumped up 20% over the last couple weeks. So looks like we're going to have a hit here. If I had to guess, I'd say this is going to be an autograph. So we got Max Williams, number 245 out of 249 for the Ravens. And it is a Studio Signatures autograph. Max Williams for the Ravens. Cool piece of art right there. First hit goes to the Ravens. Ravens. Michael J. Ravens. Nice little boomski there. A little bit of a boomski. We got Marshall Faulk for the Rams. We got DeMarco Murray for the Eagles. We got a Kid Reporter for the Garbage. And we got one more pack here. Can we pull 2? Can we pull 2 autos out of this? 2 autos out of the box? Doesn't look like it. We got Mean Joe Green for the Steelers. Rashad Green for the Jags. Is that messed up? It looked messed. It's part of the print. Okay. Rashad Green, rookie card. Jags. There's a John Elway helicopter hero again. Robert Quinn for the Rams. 1 hit so far. Better than 0. Yeah, the Gridiron Kings cards are really nice. Nice pieces of art. A lot of hits in them. I prefer to pull hits than non-hits. There's an Eric Dickerson for the Rams. Oh, that's a nice looking card. 148 out of 250 Studio Series. Studio Series, huh? That's a nice card. Let me throw that one in the sleeve. I don't think I've seen one of that style before. I've seen some of the parallel Gridiron Kings. That's a neat one. Numbered for the Rams. Nice looking card there. Numbered 250. And then we got Phillip Rivers and Paxton Lynch rated. Geno Atkins for the Bengals. Kavari Russell, Chiefs. Daisy Ridley, fans of the game. Tyler Boyd, Bengals, rated rookie. Hey, stop barking. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff with the Colts. Malik Collins, Cowboys rookie. There's a Michael Floyd, 44 out of 100 press proof for the Cardinals. 44 out of 100 for the Arizona Cardinals. Second numbered card of this box. Press proof. Actually, don't see too many numbered cards out of this, so that's kind of cool. Joe Montana, Legends of the Fall. Eli Apple, rated rookie for the Giants. What are you barking at? Stop it. Brett Favre. Sean Davis, Steelers rookie. Kid Reporter. Has anyone ever actually seen a Kid Reporter? Like, I mean, they have that contest every year, so I assume there's a kid that wins it somewhere. Where do they report? I've never seen that. Not that I really want to. Joe Montana, 49ers, and a Jalen Smith rated rookie for the Cowboys. I don't really care to see a Kid Reporter, but just curious if they actually do it and where it broadcasts. It's probably like on their website or something. We got Randy Gregory rookie card for the Cowboys. We got a Franco Harris throwback there for the Steelers. And an Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. We had a couple numbered cards, but no actual hit in this box. Will this save us? Doesn't look like it. Max Williams for the Ravens, which was the hit, actually, in the previous box. Rookie card. Steelers John Stallworth. And a LaShawn McCoy. No hit. Oh, I just dropped a pile of boxes all over. I don't see any thick packs. I think we're going to be relatively cold in this one. Cam Newton. Another Sean Davis for the Steelers. There's a duel there. Patriots Cardinals. Jalen Smith, Cowboys rated rookie. Press proof parallel. Eddie George of the Titans. Rookie card, Vernon Butler, Panthers. Middle left, huh? You mean this one? This one right here? DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Keenan Reynolds, rated rookie for the Ravens. So this is the one you're feeling right there. All right, we'll see. We'll see if your intuition is correct. You want me to run that one next? Marcus Allen, Raiders. Yannick Ngakoue, rookie card for the Jags. There are, back over here, you can see one, but there's actually a second box over here too. So they're a little bit off the screen. I can't really fit them all on because I got a small desk, but there's still 5 boxes left. John Elway for the Broncos. Malcolm Mitchell, Patriots rated rookie. Can't open this pack. There we go. There's a thick card in here. Looks like we got a hit. We got a hit in this Donruss pack right here. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff. Jonathan Bullard, rookie card for the Bears. Kid Reporter. Trying to hide this, keep this at the back here. So we got a hit. Looks like it might be a blue color. 27. Oh, there's so many blue teams. It could be the Cowboys, could be the Colts, Titans. It's the Cowboys. Terrence Williams. So we got a hit for the boys. Terrence Williams, wide receiver. It's a napkin. I was hoping it'd be an auto, but you got a napkin there. Little jersey card. Terrence Williams for the Cowboys. A little bit of a hit. Hit for the Cowboys. That's Nicky. There you go. There's another hit. That's something. That's something. We'll take it. There's Jay Cutler. Jeremy Langford, rookie card for the Bears. We got an Adrian Peterson all day. Julian Edelman, Pats. Got David Cobb, Titans, rookie card. Malcolm Butler. The Butler did it. The Butler did it. I like that. Jamal Charles. The Chiefs. The Butler did it. All right, I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go with this one that you were feeling, Mike. Let's see if you were right. Move this other one in its place. So we still got 4 more after this one. This is the one you were feeling. Let's see if the heat is in this one. Let's see if Mike's intuition was right. Empty box. Not that a thick pack makes it, but do we have any thick ones? That might be thick. That might be thicker than the other ones. I have seen that a lot of these Gridiron Kings thick ones are typically patch autographs in the Gridiron Kings. They're not usually just jersey or memorabilia cards. So we might have it. There might be some heat in this one. It looks thick. Kavari Russell, press proof parallel for the Chiefs. Hunter Henry, rated rookie for the Chargers. Once this dude's knee's healed, he should be good. Rated rookie for the Chargers. I think there might be something in this. You might be right. Thinking the intuition's there. Gotta trust Mike. He knows. Blake Bortles. Sheldon Rankins, rookie. Saints. And then we got Joe Montana for the, Joe Namath, not Joe Montana. I looked away and just saw the J. Joey Bosa, rated rookie for the Chargers. Of course, Joe Montana and Joe Namath are both Super Bowl winners. But I don't think Joe Namath is on Joe Montana's level. Eric Dickerson for the Rams. The Ron Gronkowski for the Bills, rookie card. Julio Jones. Austin Hooper, Falcons rated rookie. Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Jaron Reed, rookie card for the Hawks. Got Roger Staubach for the boys. Ricardo Lewis, rated rookie for the Browns. We'll save what appears to be the thicker pack for last. We have been tricked before. Ended up with a regular pack when we thought it was thick. Alright, we got Ty Montgomery, rookie card for the Packers. Clay Matthews, expressionist insert, Packers. Jeremy Maclin for the Chiefs. Do we have a hit here? That is the question. And doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like there's a thick card in here, but maybe there's an extra one. Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've seen that Peyton Manning before. That's a neat looking card. I'm pretty sure that's the first time I've ever seen that card. It is a base, though. Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Tony Dorsett, off-centered cut for the Cowboys. Mike Evans, off-centered cut, Bucks. So there was no hit in there. Mike, he failed us. Well, there was that. It's just a base card, I assume, but I've never seen that one before, and I've opened a lot of these. I've opened hundreds of these packs and never saw that card, so that's kind of cool. Far right. Let's go far right. It was actually hidden back there behind the cards, but this is the far right. This was the only box you could not see because it was slightly behind these stack over here and off camera, but this is the far right. Again, it looks like there's a thick pack. I mean, that bottom one looks thick, but we just got tricked, so doesn't necessarily need to be thick for there to be a hit, though. Autograph cards can be thin. Brett Favre, Legends of the Fall. Mackenzie Alexander, rookie, Vikings. Pretty cold break so far, but hopefully this heats up with these last four boxes. Oh, there we go. We got a little press-proof action going on there. Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins. Devontae Booker, Broncos rated rookie. I'll let that one go, Mike. I'll let it go. I won't hold that one to you. Odell Beckham insert, Giants. Roberto Aguayo, Bucks, rookie. That box was going to have no hit in it regardless of whether or not you called it out. Our fate has already been sealed. Navarro Bowman, 49ers. Rashad Higgins, Browns rated rookie. The Browns had a lot of rated rookies in 2016. I mean, they had a lot of rookies, but technically the Browns have a lot of rookies every year. I don't think they're going to next year. I think the Browns are on their way up now. We got Raiders and Lions duel there. TJ Green, rookie for the Colts. The Browns have their quarterback finally. Baker Mayfield's the real deal. Julio Jones, Falcons. Josh Doxson, Redskins, rated. Luke Kuechly. Xavier Howard for the Dolphins rookie card. Why do I think that's Xavier? It's Xavier. Duke Johnson rookie for the Browns. Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Robert Quinn, Rams. Kid Reporter. All right. This does seem thick. This does seem like a thicker pack, so we might have one here. Might have a little something. Yep, we got a thicker card in here. Let me save it for last. I'm gonna save it for the end. Pull these cards in front of it. All right, Saints. Garrett Grayson rookie card for the Saints. We got a DeMarco Murray here for the Eagles. Kid Reporter. And then we got OBJ. So this is going to be a jersey card. Oh, it might have an autograph because it's got a number on it. 162 out of 249. This should be Odell Beckham. Odell Beckham is what I'm guessing. It is. So we got Odell Beckham for the Giants here. That's the wrong pile. Player worn material. So there will not be an autograph on this. Masters of the Game, Odell Beckham. Was hoping to see an auto, but we will take an ODB for the Giants. We will take what we can get. Sorry, I gotta open some sleeves here. Better than nothing. There you go, Conrad. It's a hit for Conrad there. For the G-Men. There you go. I mean, he's a great player, so autograph would have been nice on this one, but that's still a nice card. Odell Beckham for Conrad. Three left. Unless we get 3 hits, it's going to be tough to recover from the coolness of this one. This has been a cold break. We got 1 auto and a couple jersey cards. I mean, it happens, but we still have 3 to go. And we got a super fat pack in here. So we're going to have a hit in this box. That's a ultra fat boy going on right there. So the last pack in this will have a hit. I don't think that there's any way that that's not a hit. We got a little parallel. Oh, we got Skylar Aston for the Jets. How about that? How about a celebrity? You don't even get a friggin' football player, but we pull Skylar Aston autograph for the Jets. That is friggin' cool. J-E-T-S, Jets. Fans of the game, Skylar Aston. Non-football player autograph. I knew these were autographed, and I've seen some of them come before, but that's cool. Never pulled one. First one I've ever pulled right there. Skylar Aston, which I believe, isn't this the dude from Pitch Perfect? I don't know what West Side Story is. There you go. Who's got the Jets? The Jets is Brienne. There you go, Brienne. Pretty cool hit there. Not a football player, but it's still pretty cool. For the Jets. That's a rare one there. You don't pull those very often. All right, moving on. Terry Bradshaw. James Bradbury rookie card for the Panthers. That helped. That helped the break a little bit. That was a cool autograph. Ah, we didn't get another one. I was hoping to get a second one. Fans of the game, Daniela Monet for the 49ers. CJ Procise rated rookie for the Sea Chickens. Got production line, Adrian Peterson. I'm going to have to move this base pile over here in a minute. Camille Corrier, rookie card for the Ravens. And move some of these base cards over to the side over here. I don't want the tower to fall over. Yeah, let's see some Raiders. I agree. Let's get some Raiders up in here. Edgerrin James for the Colts. Christian Hackenberg, rated rookie for the Jets. Usually when you call for them, they come out, right? So you're calling for the Raiders, they're probably going to come now. Look, there you go. Oilers, Warren Moon. Kenny Clark, Packers rookie. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff, with the Broncos. There's a Raiders, DeAndre Washington, rated rookie. Not a hit, but rookie cards are always good, especially if it's your favorite team. Steelers and what's that, Falcons duel. Noah Spence, rookie card for the Bucks. We're coming up on the ultra thick pack right after this one. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's there. Oh, well. Oh, what do we have here? What do we got here? We got Trent Dilfer. Who wants Trent Dilfer? Bloom! Trent Dilfer on-card autograph for the Ravens. How about that? Super Bowl 35. Is that what XXXV is? Trent Dilfer on-card autograph. What a pretty autograph, too. Not a sticker. Baltimore Ravens. It's a nice little boomski right there. How about that one? Trent Dilfer. Michael J. It's a nice hit right there. Nice that they number these cards, but that is cool. That is a good autograph, too. Look at that. Nice autograph on that one. Nice hit for the Ravens. We're warming up. We're warming up. We already got 2 autographs out of this. We haven't even gotten to the thick pack yet. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. We've gotten 2 autographs out of this box with a thick pack left. Dolphins. Tannehill. All right. Let's see if we can get a 3rd autograph out of this one box. That would be friggin' sweet. All right. Saving the auto or patch for last. We got Sean Mannion. It's a rookie card for the Rams. J.J. Watt insert for the Texans. And Matthew Stafford for the Lions. We got a kid reporter. There's the code if you want it. I don't think anybody does. All right, so back behind this, we've got 162 out of 249. And that will be the person's initial, so it's going to be JH, I believe. I can't even. So it's the Falcons. It's going to be Julio. No. Justin Hardy. Justin Hardy. Super mega giant napkin for the Falcons. Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau. That is a huge dinner napkin right there. You can actually probably eat 2 meals and still clean your face with the size of that thing. For the Falcons. Looks like Jimmy. Jimmy has the Falcons. Jimmy H. If I got that right. There's a big ass napkin for you. Justin Hardy. So we got 3 hits out of 1 box after some coldness that we had going on there. Let's see what else we can get. We still got 2 left. If we keep this heat up, we'll be good. So this break is not going to be as cold as it seemed at the start. These look all the same size. We got a Jaws for the Eagles. Artie Burns for the Steelers again. Adrian Peterson. Nick Vanette, Seahawks rated rookie. Thomas Brady. Charles Tapper, rookie, Cowboys. Had some decent hits in here already. Not for the big teams, but hits are hits. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Cardale Jones, Bills, rated rookie. You know who that looks like, right? Giants and Jags duel. DeForest Buckner rookie card for the Niners. Phillip Rivers. Whoops. Corey Coleman rated rookie for the Browns. Pierre Garçon, Colts. Robert Kimdechi, rookie, cards. I don't have my hopes up for this one. What do you do when you have a raging fire? Throw ice on it. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. You throw water on it. Matt Jones, Redskins, rookie card. Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens. Off-centered cut. A lot of those are actually off-centered in this. The last few breaks. A lot of those Gridiron Kings have been cut off-centered. Then we got Marcus Golden, rookie card for the Cardinals. Jeremy Hill, aficionado for the Bengals. And a Nick Foles for the Rams. So we do have a... We followed up the 3-hit box with a cold no-hit box. So... not a surprise. Final box. Once again, as I crack this, just so you guys know, if anybody's new, if you bought into this for more than the minimum, you bought multiple teams, if you paid extra for your team, and you do not get a hit, I will throw in something extra for you. I am not a business. I do this for fun, so I try to hook people up. If they get skunked, I will do my best to hook you up with something extra. If you bought a single team for the minimum price and you don't get a hit, probably not so much. But I try to hook you up if you got into this for more than the base. Le'Veon Bell, insert for the Steelers. Vernon Butler, rookie card for the Panthers. I'll try to give everybody a little something extra if they got shafted by Panini. Dallas Clark of the Colts. Keenan Reynolds, rated rookie for the Ravens. And all these cards will be mailed out on Monday, since there is no more mail until Monday. I will have them all sorted and shipped out Monday morning. Eli Manning. Yannick Ngakoue, rookie card for the Jags. Yeah, I hear you, Tyler. Although I have pulled some really good Raiders out of this before. I did have a, no, I don't remember what it was. Jets and Vikings duel. Malcolm Mitchell, rated rookie for the Pats. Tyler Lockett. Is that what it was? I'm trying to remember. I did pull one of those Super Bowl cards, and it was a Raiders autograph, and now my mind has just gone blank. Press proof Robert Griffin for the Browns. Jonathan Bullard rookie card for the Bears. Carson Palmer. Chris Moore Ravens rated rookie. John Elway of the Broncos, and Kendall Fuller rookie card for the Skins. We might end it on a cold note. Got Melvin Gordon, Chargers rookie. Bradshaw for the Steelers. Taylor Gabriel, Browns. Final pack. Chris Conley, Chiefs rookie. Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers, and Ryan Tannehill. So nothing in this pack either. So last couple boxes were cold. I'll give you a recap. And then like I said, if you got shafted, I'll hook you up. We got a few hits. Not a major break, but for a couple teams it was pretty good. We got some rated rookie cards. We got some numbered cards here. Kenyon Drake. We got a Jared Goff. So not really hits, but nice cards. We got Odell Beckham for the Giants. We got a Terrence Williams for the Cowboys. We got a huge Art Nouveau, Justin Hardy for the Falcons. And you'll have them. You'll have the rated rookies. Autograph of Max Williams for the Ravens. Skylar Aston, fans of the game for the Jets. Autograph. It's kind of cool. And then the Boomski, Trent Dilfer for the Ravens. That's a nice autograph there. So there you go. There you have it. I will sort these and have them out on Monday morning. And like I said, I do have a 2015 breakup on the group here if you're interested. Some cheap teams. I will package these all up, have them out to you guys with bonuses for everyone who got skunked. I appreciate you jumping into the break. Hope to see you in the next one. Hope you enjoy your bonuses. Sorry that you did not hit if you did not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start sorting. It takes me many hours, so I'm going to go get started on that now. Mike, thanks for joining again. I have another break running. I don't know when it ends. I think it's Tuesday or something, but there's another eBay break. But check out the 2015 score if you're interested. It's posted up here on the group. There's some cheap teams. Lots and lots and lots. 5,000 plus cards in that break. And I think it's 20 hits. But there are lots of cards and lots of inserts. So if you're interested, check it out. It's relatively low priced. All right, guys. Thanks for joining in. I got a lot of work to do still. My work does not end when I stop this video. I have hours of work to do, so I'm going to get on it now. Listen to some music and do some sorting. Appreciate it again. Thanks for the love and support. I'll see you guys in the next break. Thanks for sticking with us. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Take it easy, everyone. Have a good evening. Eclipse out. You too, Tyler.